Hi, I'm JD Gunnell, USU Extension gardening expert. Here are October's gardening tips. Harvest winter squash when the rind or skin is hard and difficult to scratch with your fingernail, but harvest before a heavy freeze. Leave a couple of inches of stem on the squash. This can help it keep longer in storage. And make sure to store them in a cool, dry location. Plant garlic cloves in mid-October through early November for next year's harvest. Rototill or mix leaves and other organic matter like compost or manure into the vegetable garden this fall. This helps build a healthy soil for next season's crops. Plant spring blooming bulbs such as tulips, daffodils, and crocus before the ground freezes for an early display of spring color. Planting trees and shrubs in the fall enhances root establishment, and nurseries usually have a pretty good discount on prices. Dig tender perennials such as gladiolas, dahlias, begonias, and canna lilies after the foliage dies down naturally, and store them in a cool, dry location, usually 45 to 50 degrees. Fall is the best time to control perennial weeds such as field bindweed, also known as morning glory. Energy moving from the leaves to the root system means that any chemical application is more likely to offer better control in the roots. Find more gardening tips like these at garden.usu.edu.